So hello guys, now we are going to see what is a method statement. What is a method statement? Okay, in workplace, what is method statement? What is this document? A method statement is a document that describes how to do a task safety. It is a step-by-step guide that explains the work that will be done and how it will be done safely. Method statements are used in a variety of industries, including construction, manufacturing, and maintenance, and as well as in port terminal area. So, a method statement typically include the following informations. So now we are going to see the information, which are the information is there. The purpose of the task. Second one is the scope of the task. Third one is the hazard associated with the task. The control measure, the step that will be taken, the person who will be involved, the and last one is the resource that will be needed. So these are all the tasks in the method statement which we should which we should know. So the first thing is um, the purpose of the task should be clearly started so that everyone included in the task understand why it is being done. This will help to ensure that everyone is working towards the same goal. So when we are going to start any work at your workplace, so we should know the purpose of the task. Means first you have to clearly define what is the purpose. Another thing is the scope of the task. See, should also be clearly defined. This includes that work will be done as well as the boundaries of the task. For example, if the task is to be installed a new light uh, fixture, the scope of the task would include removing the old fixture, installing the new fixtures, and testing the fixture to make sure it is working properly. And third point is the hazard associated with the task should be identified and assessed. This include both physical hazard such as working at height or with hazardous material, as well as ergonomic hazard such as repetitive motions or awkward postures. The hazards should be ranked in terms of their severity and likelihood of occurrence. And the fourth is the control measures. The control measures that will be used to mitigate the hazard should be described. This include the use of personal protective equipment, PPE, engineering control, and administrative control. For example, if the task involves working at height, the control measure might include using a safety harness, working with a spotter, and erecting a guardrail. Remove the old fixture, preparing the mounting surface, installing the new fixtures, testing the fixture. And third one is uh, the step that will be taken. The step that will be taken to complete the task safely should be described in detail. This include the specific actions that will be taken as well as the order in which they will be taken. For example, if the task involved installing a new light fixtures, the steps might include these points: removing the old fixtures, preparing the mounting surface, installing the new fixtures, testing the fixtures. So, and the last point and second last point is uh, uh, the 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 person who will be involved. So this person who is the person who will be involved in the task should be identified. This includes the name of the people who will be doing the work as well as their qualifications and experience. So we should know that the person that is well experienced or not, or that the guy is new employee. So eighth point is the resource that will be needed. The resources that will be needed to complete the task should be identified. This include the tools, equipment, and materials that will be needed. So by including this information in a method statement, you will help to ensure the task is completely safely and efficiency. So these are all the points we should know while preparing method of statement. So thank you so much guys, hope you will understand. Thank you so much.